Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change the language on Pipedrive. This is useful for using CRM in your preferred language and improving workflow efficiency. So make sure that you're on the full version or plan to access all of the features. So once you're here, you will just have to click your profile icon, and what you will have to do is you will select company settings or personal preferences. So it really depends where the language option is. So once you see the language feature, you will just have to click this drop down menu right here, and then what you will have to do is just select your preferred language and then just go ahead and click it like this, and you will just have to click save so that you will be able to actually have your desired language. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.